Welcome to Divorce, Parenting and Property Legal Insights from Village Family Lawyers. Today we are talking about family law mediation and in particular 5 common mistakes people make when preparing for it. Family law mediation can take place at many different points. It might be before a formal separation, after separation, or while people are working through divorce proceedings. It's commonly used for parenting issues, property matters, or a combination of both. When mediation works well, it can provide a calmer, more private way to resolve issues without going to court. However, how you prepare for family law mediation can significantly affect how safe, balanced, and productive the process feels. One of the most common mistakes we see is treating mediation as a test you have to pass. Many people arrive feeling pressure to perform well, say the right things, or resolve everything in a single session. Mediation doesn't work that way. It's not an exam, and it's not about getting a perfect outcome on the day. For many people, mediation is part of a broader process, with space to reflect, get advice, and sometimes return for further discussions. When people expect everything to be finalised immediately, they can feel overwhelmed or agree to things they later regret. Another common mistake is focusing only on outcomes without thinking about underlying needs. People often go into mediation with very fixed positions about parenting arrangements, the family home, or finances. While it's important to know what you want, mediation is often more productive when you understand why those things matter. Needs like stability for children, financial security, or the ability to plan for the future are often where meaningful progress is made. When discussions stay focused only on positions, mediation can feel stuck or adversarial. Emotional readiness is another area that's often underestimated. Family law mediation doesn't require you to be emotionless, but it does require emotions to be manageable. Some people feel pressured to mediate before they're ready, especially if the separation was sudden or emotionally difficult. Others may feel obliged to mediate even where there has been a power imbalance, emotional control, or financial pressure in the relationship. In those situations, mediation can feel unsafe or overwhelming without proper preparation and support. Recognizing your emotional state is not a weakness. It's an important part of preparing responsibly. Another mistake we see is entering mediation without understanding the legal framework. Mediation isn't meant to be legalistic, but it does help to have a basic understanding of your legal rights, responsibilities, and the factors that are relevant to parenting or property outcomes. Without that context, it can be very hard to assess whether proposals are reasonable or sustainable. People may feel pressured to agree simply to move the process along. Early legal advice can help you understand what's relevant, what information might still be needed, and when it may be appropriate to pause rather than agree. A final misconception is assuming that mediation replaces the need for legal advice altogether. In reality, mediation and legal advice often work best together. Mediation focuses on communication and resolution. Legal advice provides clarity, protection, and structure. Having support before, during, or after mediation can help you feel more confident going in and more secure about any agreements that are reached. At Village Family Lawyers, we're a mediation-first firm. 2 of our lawyers, including our managing director and principal lawyer, Lauren Wilson, and Maria Stipik, are nationally accredited mediators. That means our advice is informed not only by family law expertise, but by a deep understanding of how mediation works in practice, what helps it succeed, and where people commonly feel unsure or vulnerable. For many people preparing for mediation, a helpful next step is a pre-mediation conference. Village Family Lawyers offers a fixed-fee 90-minute pre-mediation conference for people preparing for parenting or property mediation. This session can be held in person or online and is designed to help you feel informed and ready. We review your situation, talk through the issues likely to arise, provide strategic advice, and explain what to expect. After the session, you receive a written letter of advice summarizing your options and key recommendations so you can enter mediation with clarity and confidence. Some clients attend mediation independently after this preparation. Others ask us to provide support during or after mediation. The approach is flexible and guided by what feels right for you. If this episode resonates with you or with someone you know, you're welcome to get in touch with us. Our website is villagefamilylawyers.com.au and our phone number is 1300413997.